Credit Lift Inc.
Hey y'all, this is Taqwanna Clark with Credit Lift Inc. and I am at the Back to School Bash at home of the Raiders, Sterling High School, baby.
All right, Sterling, come through.
The principal and the coordinator introduced everyone, all of the vendors, and they gave away computers and they gave away gift cards. It was such an awesome event. And the DJ, oh my God, he showed up and showed out. He made me show my age this day. The staff, the families, the visitors, everyone in attendance just had great energy. They exuded great energy, and I'm glad and honored to be a part of the whole situation. I was able to share credit tips, credit info, resources on how to build, establish, leverage, and maintain credit. So yeah, Credit Lift Inc. was most definitely in the building, and I can't wait for next year.
Credit Lift Inc. Give your credit a lift.